Is the page of virtual lab is visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So अच्छा यहाँ पर इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या हो गया? Mod 6 counter can be built using a 3-element shift register. Okay. तो हम लोग रजिस्टर भी देखेंगे अभी आगे. शिफ्ट रजिस्टर हम लोग देखेंगे आगे के क्लासेस में. So shift register registers are the collection of flip flops. Okay. So registers are the collection of flip flops. एक फ्लिप फ्लॉप दूसरे फ्लिप फ्लॉप से कनेक्टेड होता है. ठीक है. So you can term it as a shift register where जो भी input यहाँ apply कर रहे हैं that input is shifted. So here is a flip flop 1, flip flop 2, flip flop 3, and there are outputs. Okay. So यहाँ पर mod 6 counter can be built using a 3-element shift register. Okay. So let us move to the next experiment. Okay, so here we will have the next experiment as verify binary. We have done this implementation. Okay, so we have done this one, implementation and verification of decoder demultiplexer. Now we have to see implementation of 4:1 multiplexer and 1:4 demultiplexer using logic gates. Okay, experiment number 9. I think all of you can do this by yourself also, but instead I am showing it to you. To analyze the truth table and working of 1:4 demultiplexer by using 3 input NAND and 1 input NOT logic gate IC and 4x1 multiplexer by using 3 input and 3 input OR and 1 input NOT gate logic gate ICs. Okay. So this is the theory part. You already know what is multiplexer and demultiplexer. So both of these, the combination circuits are opposite to each other. That is, in multiplexer there are multiple input signals and at the input, and in demultiplexer there are number of outputs. So all of you know the theoretical part. So what is the number of select lines? What is the number of select lines in a multiplexer or a demultiplexer? So in a multiplexer, sorry. If we have a mux 8:1 mux, then what is the number of select lines? Then what is the number of select lines?
3.
Select line is equal to 3. Is it right, Mukesh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So select lines is equal to 3. So all of you know how we are calculating the number of select lines. Okay. So we have these are the multiplexers 2:1, 4:1, 8:1, 16:1, and all of them कितने select lines होते हैं वो यहाँ पर दिए हुए हैं. Okay. So if we have a 4:1 multiplexer, then okay. So it is the simple block diagram of 4:1 multiplexer. You can see here that two select lines are there and number of inputs D0 to D3. And truth table is also given. So all the theoretical portion is given here, demultiplexer and its block diagram and its truth table. Okay, so in the theoretical part, only this much is given. Now you have to go through the simulator, or if you want to go to pre-test, you should go through the pre-test, because from these pre-tests, if you know the answers very well, then it is quite good. But if you don't know, then these questions are good to attempt. So please go through these pre-test questions and do it by yourself. So what is the answer of first question? A demultiplexer. Single. Sorry. Okay, what is the answer for the next question? In a multiplexer, the selection of particular input line is controlled by
Selected lines.
Selected lines. Multiplexer, the selection of particular input lines is controlled by selected lines. यहाँ पर और भी कुछ ऑप्शन है, data controller, both data controller and selected lines. So what is this data controller? In a multiplexer, the selection of particular input line is controlled by. Okay, ठीक है. If the number, okay, what is the answer of third question? If the number of n select input lines is equal to
M.
then it requires select lines, m select lines. Okay. Which of the following circuit can be used as parallel to serial converter?
Yeah. Multiplexer.
Parallel to serial converter. Okay. क्योंकि मल्टीप्लेक्सर में मैनी इनपुट्स होता है एक साथ और आउटपुट सिर्फ एक आता है, सो इट इज कैन बी सेड एज अ पैरेलल टू सीरियल कन्वर्टर. ओके, हाउ मेनी सेलेक्ट लाइंस वुड बी रिक्वायर्ड फॉर एन 8 to 1 लाइन मल्टीप्लेक्सर? बहुत बार हमने देख लिया ये चीज.
3.
Okay, so yes, all of you have got 5 out of 5. Congratulations. Okay, let us move to the procedure. All of you know the procedure. Simulation part, 4:1 multiplexer. So you have to design the multiplexer using several gates. So you need NOT IC, you need AND IC, you need okay, 2 AND ICs are given because more number of AND gates are required. And सिर्फ चूंकि एक IC में सिर्फ 3 AND gates हैं, and you need more number of AND gates. So 2 AND IC, यहाँ पर ये जो है AND IC वो 3 input AND IC है. आप देख पा रहे हो यहाँ पर जो AND gate है वो 3 input AND IC है, इसलिए 7411 है. ठीक है, अगर 2 input AND gate होता या 2 input AND IC होता, 2 input AND IC अगर होता, 2 इनपुट एंड आईसी अगर होता तो यहाँ पे 4 गेट्स होते एंड के आईसी में. ठीक है ना? तो यहाँ पर आप देख पा रहे हो, एम आई ऑडिबल? जस्ट वेट फॉर अ सेकंड, वेट फॉर फ्यू मोमेंट्स. हेलो, हाँ धीरेन्द्र क्लास ले रहे हो, क्या बोल रहे हो? बात हुआ. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here you can see that here 4 input OR gate is used. So 4 input IC के लिए यहाँ पर IC number 4072B. Okay, so this is an IC for 4 input OR gate. तो इस तरीके से you will have the different ICs and you have connections given. So just switch on the different switches with select lines. You can see here S0, S1, as it is a 4:1 multiplexer. So 2 select lines are there, S0 and S1, and you have 4 inputs as D0, D1, D2, and D3. Okay, so put the values of D0, D1, D2, D3. And giving the combination of select lines, you will have different outputs. So firstly, you have to switch on the power. As you switch on the power, you have to give the data at different select lines, different inputs. Okay, so do it yourself. For different inputs, you will have different types of LEDs will glow, and based upon that, you have to add these add the values at the chart. You will get for 1 0, you will have D2 at the output. So here you have multiple input as D0, D1, D2, and D3, and only one output. इन 4 में से कोई एक ही output input हमें output पर मिलेगा based upon the combination of select lines. आप लोग जानते हो ये चीज. So एक एक करके देखो और इसे ट्राई करो, और आप लोगों को जो भी लैब मैनुअल है वो सबमिट करना होगा. ओके, सो आई थिंक सब लोगों ने अप टू लैब नंबर 3 तक तो सभी लोगों ने सबमिट कर दिया था. कुछ लोगों ने लैब नंबर 5 तक सबमिट किया था. So I will inform you that whoever has submitted up to which lab manual. So जो भी लैब आप लोगों का ओवर हो रहा है, आप लोगों को उससे रिलेटेड लैब मैनुअल का जो थियोरेटिकल पार्ट है और अपना लैब रिपोर्ट है वो सबमिट करना है. ठीक है, तो ये सारे लैब हम कंप्लीट करेंगे. अभी तक हमने जो भी देखा है वो आप लोग कंप्लीट करके अपने पास रखो. जब मैं सबमिट करने बोलूँगा आप लोग सबमिट कर दोगे. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. In the next class, we will discuss the more topics. Next topic. Thank you. किन्हीं का कोई क्वेश्चन है क्या? किन्हीं का कोई क्वेरी है? किन्हीं का कोई क्वेरी है?
No, sir.
ओके, ठीक है, तो आज के लिए इतना ही रखते हैं. थैंक्स.